Hello, I'm Mike Fitzgerald with Bobcat Company. Today we're going to show you how to use Bluetooth connectivity in Bobcat loaders. Bluetooth connectivity in R-Series loaders allows operators to make and receive hands-free phone calls, plus utilize a wide range of sound entertainment choices on the job. Active noise canceling on the in-cab microphone makes for clear communication during phone calls. It's one of the major benefits of our optional 7-inch touch display. Before you can make a call, your phone must be paired to the machine. To do this, press the phone icon on your touchscreen. Then press Pair a Device. The phone being connected must have Bluetooth turned on before it can be paired. On your phone within the Bluetooth settings menu, select your Bobcat machine from the list of available devices. Confirm that the pin shown on your phone matches the pin shown on the display. Now you're ready to make calls or play streaming audio in the cab. There are multiple ways to place a call. You can select the recipient from the Quick Contacts list, from the contacts list, or simply dial the number using the keypad. You can also select a number from your call history. To add contacts to your Quick Contacts list, first make sure you are on the phone screen of your display. Then select Add Quick Contacts. From the list of your contacts, select the star icon on the right side of the screen. When the star changes to a solid color, it has been added to the Quick Contacts list. You can press the speaker icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then move the volume slider left to decrease the volume, or right to increase the volume. Another way to adjust the volume is with the rotary knob on the jog shuttle. Press the volume navigation button for volume mode, then twist the knob to adjust. For more information, see your operation and maintenance manual, talk to your local Bobcat dealer, or visit bobcat.com.